Trading Psychology Series, episode 2 of the Trading Psychology Series. So I want to talk about an important moment that you'll experience in your trading career, when you know that you got it, when you know that you're getting it, and when you're on the right track. And I want to show you, because I'm a profitable trader. I took small payouts from prop firms, various prop firms. I passed plenty of prop firms. So I want to talk to you a little bit about the Eureka Effect, the Eureka moment in trading, to let you know that you're on the right track, you're on the right path, and that you got this. Just keep going, and you know you're gonna make it. And you're on the right path, you're on the right track. And I wouldn't tell you this. If it wasn't true. So I want to talk about the Eureka moment. My Eureka moment in trading was more when I got patient. When I got patient on the chart, when I started really seeing the setups and just making it super simple. And I want to show you a little bit of what I mean about simple. So let's get to the charts right here. And I want to show you about how to make it simple. So boom, right here we have the charts, and this is a little different video for a lot of people because we got the charts on Trading Psychology video. But I want to show you the Eureka Effect, the Eureka moment, when you know that you got it all together, and once you start becoming more patient in the trading game. So if we got a trend line right here, boom, we got this huge trend line. Let's get it right here, boom. All right. So now we got the trend line, we got more touches on the chart and everything. The Eureka Effect. And this is how you make trading super, super simple to know that, like, man, this is like my aha moment. I'm getting this. Let's get to this top chart. So you start making it simple once you start seeing trading in this way and say, okay, yeah, we got this trend line. Okay. This trend line is gonna break. Boom. Okay. But once you get a break of a trend line, a retest coming. Boom. And once we get the retest, we find the retest. Okay, the retest, and then some way we can probably get a break to the downside. And this once your patience come in. This once you say, oh, trading is not bad. Every big influencer tells me, when I get a trend line break, no, it's a retest. They call it the break and retest. And this just so simple. Get you a trend line, get you a break, you know a retest is coming. You can wait for the retest, or you could have took this a little quickly grab right here. See, you want to find, a lot of people like to do this. They like to come to these wicks. No, do not make TPs wicks. Make a TP the last full candle. That's where you have the most volume from the market. Make your TPs under the candle, not the wick, the candle body, the body of the candle. And so I want to tell you that, and I don't want to get too technical in this video, but that's where your TP should go, not the wick, the body of the candle. Okay, so we got that out the way. So yeah, your Eureka Effect, your Eureka moment, it's like once stuff start becoming simple to you, and you say, oh, okay, we got this trend line, this bullish push previously in the market. Okay, I know we got this downside. Okay, a lot of resistance. Okay, we're gonna break to the downside because we got so much resistance. Okay, boom, I'm gonna take the sell because we're breaking out of this trend line. And if you would have came to the 15-minute right here, you can see we get this break and all these little small retests. Just saying, nah, push me down. And we're going into the session, into the 8:30 New York session, 9:30 market open. So, like I said, you can see right here, like I said, always take your TPs to the body. Don't go with the wicks. No wicks. We looking for bodies. Boom. You see how that body matched up with this bottom push of the wick? That's how you should take your TPs. A lot of you missing your TPs because you're going for TPs for the wicks, but it should be the body of the candle to your area of interest. I'm serious when I talk about this, because a lot of people don't teach this, where you put your TPs. It's not wicks, it's the body of the candle, the area of interest, because it's more volume to catch that play and to catch that TP. So really take note of that. So yeah, like I said, trading start becoming simple. You know, you get your trend line. It's gonna be a break. You got some small retests right here to the downside. So you said, boom, I'm gonna take this buy. I'm gonna take the sell. Cool. Boom. Market push back up for some liquidity. Then you got your neckline. Okay, all this resistance. See. Okay, you caught this sell. Boom. I'm out the market for the day. I got my money. I'm good. Right? You caught the sell. Got my money. I'm good. Then the market pushed back up for the rest of the session. Okay, cool. Now you come back the next day. You know, you start coming back the next day. You say, okay, resistance. Throw me a neckline right here. Boom, break. Quick liquidity grab back to the upside. Boom. Okay, damn. So now you're like, okay, waiting. Remember, your neckline's still here from earlier when you put the neckline. Came back under your neckline and you said, man, it's on. I remember this. It's breaking right back into my area. You know, I'm gonna take the sell. You patient. You was patient. This is your same chart marker. You caught this sell. The market pushed back up for the rest of the day. You didn't get into none of this during agent session. Lunch session, you probably didn't trade, which didn't look good. So you just got your neckline there. It broke under your neckline. You took the sell. Boom. You caught it probably. Starts to break even. You know, it pushed back up. The market stopped you out or whatever. But it pushed right back into your area. And you take this next sell. Because it's patience. And that's what my Eureka moment was. That's what I learned. It was patience. You know, let's get back. So your Eureka moment is really just patience. And when you see the chart in different ways of the simplest ways. So when you have your Eureka moment, when you know trading is coming together for you, you start being patient on the charts. You start saying, okay, this ain't the setup. I'm not gonna take this setup. Boom, okay, this is the setup. I'm gonna take this setup. That's your Eureka moment. That's your Eureka effects. Once you start being patient on these charts, once you start taking the same risks and most setup, you know, because that's what real professional traders do. They keep somewhat of the same size behind their positions because it's a portfolio they're managing. You can't go out of risk on these portfolios that you're managing. And you're managing a portfolio and you're a professional trader. So you have to manage your risk every time, all the time. And just think that way. Think in that manner, think in that nature. Because it's the smartest way that you're going to get to the next level. It's your Eureka moment and it's coming. Oh, you probably already have it. You start seeing the market in the simplest way because you start using patience, you know, in this market. You start seeing, okay, this is what the market is going to do. Because the market is art. And the more time you got in the market, the more easier it's going to get. The more better it's going to get. So don't give up and just keep going in this market, you know. And that's the Eureka moment. That's the one I had once the market started becoming simple to me. Once I started using proper risk. Once I started taking my time trading. I started seeing the market way more simple. And that's how you're going to see it. Way more simple. But first it starts with just having great risk. It's just taking your time once you're trading. That's how you get the Eureka moment. That's how you say, oh man, I got this. Once you start saying, oh, they're not a trading day. I'm not going to take no trade right now. Once you start seeing, okay, it need to break this area to validate that sell. That's when you start having your Eureka moments. And it's really just patience. Patience in this market really gonna have you take you to that next level. And it sounds so cliche and so, okay, cool. But I'm serious when I say this. Just take your time in the market and it's all gonna come together for you. I promise you that.